Hey everybody, Nick here. Today in this video we're gonna be doing this. Taking this. I'm gonna be doing some challenges right now. So I'm gonna set up this camera. It's my iPhone. Hold up for a little bit. And so we're gonna be doing this challenge here. So let me set it up. Only two. Put the marshmallows on there. Put the marshmallows on. Rubber seeds. And then chocolate syrup. What is the Well, I got it done. "30 seconds.